Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Bharadwaj and welcome to Divine Miracles. Today I'm going to talk about a very important aspect of a being, of our existence, that is our placement, our place, which is already decided by our soul before it took birth. For example, if you see stars, if they are properly placed, they form a beautiful constellation. But what will happen if any of the star is misplaced or wrongly placed? The constellation will get disturbed. Similarly, in our cases, we have a predefined place in a family, in the life, and in this existence. If we move a place unknowingly, we sacrifice a place for loved ones, or if our place is taken by anyone due to any reason, in both the cases, the disturbance will occur in our life, either at the physical level, emotional, mental, spiritual, or financial level. But whatever the case may be, the life is getting disturbed. We are getting disturbed. We are not able to achieve what we are planning for ourselves. So, for example, I'll give an example. If there's a family of 4 people, father is there, mother is there, and then 2 kids are there. Unfortunately, father leaves early, father dies. The place is now empty. So what will happen? Example, if any of the kids, they feel, okay, let me go and replace, So maybe in that process, either it's a female or male, doesn't matter. Whosoever decides to come and take the place of the father, replaces that place, is losing his or her original place and taking the role of the father for the family. Now the person is doing everything, sacrificing his or her life for their loved ones, doing everything physically, emotionally, mentally, financially. But it's possible that the other people will not acknowledge this. They can acknowledge or they may not acknowledge. It all depends. If they're not acknowledging, then what will happen? This person will start feeling rejected, unloved, unwanted. Why? Because the feeling will happen that I'm doing so much for them and they're not appreciating, they're not acknowledging it. And subconsciously, even they are not acknowledging because they didn't want this person to come over here and take that place. So even they reject. Whatever you do, they will reject it. So now how we are going to resolve this? We have to make this person realize that he or she is wrongly placed and have to send them to their original place where they belong. And whatever the place has been left by the father is empty, either the mother can take over energetically or we can fill it with divine. Once it is aligned, because the mother is the eldest one. Once it is aligned, the kids are there. Automatically everything will start falling in place. Everything will start resolving for each one of them. Whatever the negativity happened, was created, will simply release. The peace, harmony, health, happiness, love, joy, everything will start coming in. Money will start coming in. So you need to identify, are you rightly placed? Are you owning your own place or you're standing in someone else's place? If that is the case and you want to resolve this, then let's sit down and have a theta healing session for this. Probably we can resolve this for you and for your loved ones together. So see you over there. Bye. Take care.